Sugakod, Barangay San Isidro.
And empowered presence with a vital statistics of 34, 26, 34. Natalie is the embodiment of beauty with a purpose, showing us the strength, pride, and of the city never go out all side. Ladies and gentlemen, queen number 16, Natalie Mancera Intrina, representing Suga.
See, here's your question. What makes being part of the LGBTQIA+ community a source of strength and not a limitation?
Being part of the LGBTQIA+ is a source of strength because it fosters resilience, empathy, and powerful sense of belonging. We know how to turn pain into pride, silence into strength, and fear into courage. Our unique experiences bring unbreakable bonds to overcome adversity. Good evening.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
The lack of chance and the lack of opportunities to be of help, most especially to my dear Lolo, is one thing that I consider an excruciating experience, or shall I say, one of my doubtful moments. I live my life believing that I could be a good grandson to my Lolo, not paying attention to the efforts and sacrifices done by him, only to provide the life that we never asked, but he made it happen. His passing was a painful awakening filled with sleepless nights and the desperate wish for a second chance. But I stand here tonight telling you that regardless of our age, gender, and religion, we are capable of giving our Lolo an avenue of love in both comfort and care. It's never too late. The true Balay Malam address.
Chosen as ambassadors of LGBT, how would you support and protect the rights of the LGBT?
If I were to be the chosen ambassador of the LGBTQIA+, I would definitely support education because I believe that education is a powerful weapon of every nation. Education is a key to open and multiple doors of opportunities and to be feel more transformed and empowered. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Queen. Congratulations, Queen 16, as our second runner.